Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you some important Signal privacy settings you should review. So first open Signal and then go to settings. Start with privacy and review screen lock and consider enabling it. So Signal requires authentication before someone can open your messages. Next, check screen security if it's available on your device. You can also review settings related to read receipts and typing indicators if you don't want other people seeing that activity. Another useful option is sealed sender, which is designed to reduce the amount of sender information Signal exposes when supported. Then you should also review your notification settings, and if you don't want message previews appearing on your lock screen, adjust the notification preview settings on your phone. So those are some Signal privacy settings worth checking. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.